Hi, welcome back to my channel Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. Okay, you guys must have seen the thumbnail saying that end anxiety now. And if you can go back to my videos and you guys also can see my journey, how it is going on, and finally what I found and 2 minutes. And finally, what I have decided, that also I have explained. End anxiety now. Okay, so I totally understand how it feels and how the panic attacks are and how the symptoms are. I am live example here. I am also going through that, all the symptoms, the scary symptoms, the heart racing, what not, right? And also I met so many psychiatrists, so many psychologists, and also the therapists and the YouTube doctors. Okay, I did all the experience. I did yoga, I did meditation, I did Pilates, whatnot, whatnot. But what I realized at the end is recovery will happen only when you decide it should happen. Okay, it should come from us. Okay, it will not just happen if someone says, okay, do this, do that. They can just teach us, but practically we have to do. For an example, see, you want to learn driving. Okay, you will hire a trainer. Okay, trainer will teach you how to drive, but trainer will not come inside your body and he will just drive it, right? No, that you have to do that. The practice you have to do. Okay, so finally you are the one who is sitting on the driver's seat and who is driving the car, right? The same example uh, with anxiety recovery also. So we know all the inputs. Okay, people give the inputs, let's take that input and apply that and just heal from the anxiety. So currently if you ask me what I am doing, I am just facing it, whatever the symptoms, whatever the panic attacks, if it is hitting me, I'm not be like, oh my god, why it is happening, why it is coming again. I'm like, okay, it is coming, I'm feeling that sensation. I know this is harmless. I had gone through this so many times. Okay, I'm saying that. See, initially it's hard. I totally understand because that also I had experience. I totally understand whenever the symptom comes, the thought goes in a negative way only. What if this time? What if? Okay, happens. I hear you guys, but trust me, if you practice daily, okay, it will vanish. There is a proof also. Okay, even if you see so many people, they have written the books. Okay, everybody, there is nobody who has said you cannot recover from the anxiety. Did you see anywhere? No, right? So everybody, if you ask, people say 100% cure. Keep that in mind. Instead of keeping the negative things, keep that in mind. Okay, keep that panic attacks are not dangerous, anxiety is harmless. Keep such affirmation in the body whenever the symptoms hit. Say that. See, for me, morning also I suddenly felt the pin pricking sensation in the chest. Okay, and the thought came saying that, oh my god, it's a heart attack. Okay, so you have to rush to the ER. But then I took a pause and I asked myself, okay, even it is a heart attack, let it happen. Okay, so we don't have any control in our hand with the death and the birth also. Okay, it has to happen, let it happen. I said the same thing to me, and after some time the tightness, whatever the sensation, it went away. Okay, this is the way we have to do. So that's how I am doing right now. And I think if you see my last video, I started from that day and I'm doing good. And I'm facing it, the panic attacks and whatever the symptoms, whatever the thoughts, I am going through it, I am facing it. And I'm like, okay, what if thoughts I am taking as a even if. Okay, what if you will get a heart attack? Even if I will get a heart attack, let it be. I am okay. I will be okay. So maybe I'll take it as, I'm done with that. Okay, say that things. Okay, what if it is something else? Even if it is something else, let it be. So say that. Okay, and about the thoughts, I am making some affirmations. Okay, that also I will share. And what about you guys? Okay, I'm coming live, but I'm not finding anybody who needs genuine help. I'm not finding it yet. I hope this video reaches to those who is genuinely waiting for some help or some guidance. I hope they will find it soon. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching my vlog. Bye.